In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see notes in Zoho CRM, your comprehensive guide for 2025. If you're using Zoho CRM and want to access the notes linked to your contacts efficiently, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. To get started, navigate to the homepage of your Zoho CRM and locate the module tabs at the top. These tabs are your gateway to different features within Zoho CRM. Today we'll focus on the Contacts module, where you'll find all the information related to your contacts, including their notes. Now, click on the Contacts tab. This is your starting point for accessing any specific contact's detailed information. Within the contacts list, you'll see a roster of all your contacts displayed on your screen. You'll want to find and select the specific contact for whom you want to view notes. You can do this by browsing through your list or using the search function to quickly locate the contact by name or other identifying criteria. Once you've located the desired contact, click on their name to open their profile. Here is where all the magic happens. You'll notice a range of details about this particular contact, offering a full overview of your interactions with them. What you're looking for specifically is the Notes section, which is an essential tool for tracking past interactions, comments, and any valuable notes you or your team members have previously documented regarding this contact. To find this section, simply scroll down through the contact's profile page. You'll encounter various segments containing different types of information, like basic contact details and activity history. Keep scrolling until you spot the notes section. This area is beautifully organized, ensuring you can review all the log notes in a structured manner. Once you're in the notes section, you get access to all past notes associated with this contact. Take your time to review these notes, as they can provide crucial insights and historical context, aiding you in more informed and meaningful future interactions. Remember, a well-documented notes section can significantly enhance how you manage and engage with your contacts. So to recap, start from the home page, head to the Contacts tab, select the contact you're interested in, and scroll down to find their notes. This process should be straightforward, but just in case you need it, Zoho CRM offers substantial online support and resources to assist you further. By mastering the ability to view notes within Zoho CRM, you're opening doors to more organized and effective communication and management, which is a crucial element of any CRM system. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you now feel more equipped to navigate Zoho CRM with ease. Happy organizing!